One of the things that we do as insurance brokers is that we market our clients' accounts. We work on large businesses, international companies, as well as small businesses and individuals. So we market the clients their employee benefits, workers' compensation, and property casualty to make sure that we're bringing not only the best price, but also the best plan designs. And we really work with the employees to make sure that each and every one of them, their claims are taken care of, as well as their billing. We put on health fairs and wellness programs and a lot of services. When we go to the marketplace, which we call the marketplace, which is all of the carriers,
Right.
we negotiate really hard to make sure that our clients are paying the best prices. One account that we picked up in January, we actually saved them $3 million in their premium. They had been with their broker for 27 years, and it was just time for a change. And we not only saved him that much money, I say him, the vice president of HR, as well as the company, on their benefit program, we richened up their programs all the way from bringing in short-term disability they didn't have before and long-term disability.
We work with every single one of the insurance carriers out there, and ultimately we want to find the right fit for the right company. So going in, meeting the company, meeting the executives, finding out about the company itself, and fitting them with the right policy. We really look to be that one-stop location for people. We have expert financial capabilities, 401k, 403b. We have excellent employee benefits, and that runs the gamut from medical to dental, vision, long-term disability, some of the voluntary on-site products. And on the property casualty side, we work a lot with workers' compensation, liability coverage, property coverage, commercial auto coverage, really running the gamut of anything that you have in the insurance world.
We put on health fairs as well as wellness programs, and we do a lot for our clients.
Having big events for the employees during the year at the plan renewal, touching the employees so they get to meet us, they get our personal cell phone numbers, and they get to know the person that's advocating on their behalf.
Very interesting. Talking about your clients, we have one of your clients here with us. Let me introduce her. Her name is Candace Marcotte. She's a Senior Vice President of the Children's Institute, Inc., headquartered in Los Angeles. Welcome. Nice to have you with us, Candace.
Thank you very much.
I understand that you got interested in this company when you went to one of their seminars.
I did, actually. I was very impressed with the way they approached their work. I come from a mission-driven organization. Employee morale and recruiting and really taking care of our people as well as our clients is very important to us. And Danon had that gift. She had that connection that went beyond doing business as usual to really sort of connecting with what we did. We were particularly looking at our health plans for employees. We had a situation where our health plan for our family coverage was unaffordable, essentially unaffordable for our people, and a number of other areas that were lacking. And Danon came in and really worked very hard for us and pulled together a cheaper and richer program, which is really gold standard. You can't really do much better than that. Saved us about $100,000, I think.
No kidding.
And we had a much richer plan across the board.
We really provide a personalized service in helping the HR team with every claim that comes in. And then also we actually provide them an illness and injury prevention program. We pay for that in whole or in part. And with this one company that I have, A American Self Storage, we actually had to there were 110 sites, so we had to do 110 binders and ship them out throughout the United States. And so in helping with that, and then Cal OSHA came up and sure enough wanted to see their IIPP, we call it, and they had that because otherwise they would have fined the company severely.
Well, speaking of that company, it just so happens we have the president of that company sitting here at the desk with us. His name is Craig Olson. What attracted you to this company for insurance services?
For us, we had a catastrophic claim back in St. Louis, Missouri with a manager who fell and broke his wrist. A simple thing, but yet when he went to the hospital, as they gave him some medications to set it, he coded out. He had a heart attack, he had a stroke, and suddenly we were looking at a rather major claim, and with a brand new carrier. No one likes to see that. So we got together with Danon. We asked we'd like to meet with the carrier. We'd like to look at our claims, look at our loss history, what we've done through the years. What are the most typical injuries that we might have, and how can we prevent them? Because for me, I'm not happy that the insurer has to deal with a rather large claim first year out.
Sure.
I'm much happier that I stay with them for a number of years, and it's a good relationship for both of us. That's really what partnership is all about, and that's what Danone brings to the table.